Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to fix if Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11. If you're trying to connect to the internet but the Wi-Fi doesn't appear there, then in this video I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So first you have to simply go to the settings. For that, click on the Windows icon and then click on the settings icon. As you click onto it, you will get into the settings. Then on the left side you will see the option for network and internet. Go there and then you have to simply find and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. If so, then you have to go to the advanced network settings and then you have to find the option for the troubleshoot. If you couldn't find the option, then you can go to the troubleshoot. There you have to simply find the one related to internet. Like here we have this one, network and internet. Simply click onto it and it will start running the troubleshoot. It will fix the issue and will also label like what issue was there and like it has fixed or not. It will show you the status. Then you have to check for your internet. There are chances your internet is working. Otherwise you can go to the device manager and you have to find the drivers related to the Wi-Fi. You will find the one up there. Once you have find it, you have to expand it and do a right click and then click on update drivers. Click on the first option and do it for every single driver you have. You have to repeat the process for all these options. By doing that, if there's any update available for your internet or Wi-Fi drivers, it will just simply update them, because sometimes the update is not there and it is causing issues, so you have to simply go through it. And at the last you have to just simply do a restart of your PC and your Wi-Fi will be showing and working. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.